Maxims from the Kautilya Arthashastra on Economy. Wealth creation is essential for state power. From wealth comes power, from power comes the ability to rule. Taxation principles. Tax should be collected like a honeybee collects nectar from flowers without causing harm to the source. Economic self-sufficiency. A nation's prosperity depends upon its ability to produce its essential goods within its borders. Treasury management. The treasury is the foundation of the kingdom. Careful attention must be paid to its maintenance and growth. Fair taxation. Taxes should be convenient to pay, certain in amount, and collected at appropriate times, usually after harvest when farmers can afford it. Public infrastructure. Investment in roads, irrigation systems, and public facilities increases economic activity and state revenue. Currency integrity. The purity of coins should be maintained to ensure public trust in the economy. Trade regulation. Trade should be encouraged, but monitored to prevent unfair practices and ensure that the state receives its due revenue. Economic intelligence. A ruler must always be aware of the economic conditions of neighboring states and international markets. Resource allocation. Resources should be distributed according to need, merit, and strategic importance. Diversification. The wise do not put all their wealth in one venture. Debt management. Borrowing should be undertaken only when necessary and should be repaid promptly to maintain creditworthiness.